Staking for SUI has just gone live on Coinbase, and this doesn't happen to a project that is quote unquote dead. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be taking a look at SUI, compare it to the Bitcoin chart, talk about some things that have been happening in the ecosystem, and talk about the future of SUI. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about cryptos every single day here on this page, and all I ask in return is that you guys hit that subscribe button. Now, without further ado, guys, without wasting your time, stay until the end. If you like what you see, then hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So, right off the bat here, we're taking a look at the overall crypto market. Let me just do a quick refresh to make sure we're on the same page. Bitcoin hovering below 66,000, Ethereum fighting to break over that $2,000 mark. And guys, I want you to take a look at this, okay? Just in, the US Senate Republicans released new crypto clarity draft bill. Now, again, the final draft, whether it is that or not, doesn't really matter. It looks like Grok doesn't want to answer the question, but this is what I kind of want to allude to. The Clarity Act signed into law in 2026 is fluctuating, okay? Within the last week, I think we were at almost over 50% at one point, July 21st. Over the month, guys, there's been times when we were at around 50%. Now we're at a 35% chance. But if this does pass the Senate, I think that is going to be the mark of a Bitcoin bottom, of a crypto bottom. This could really and truly save crypto. Now, the reason that is important, which we'll talk about, but you guys need to understand that once the Clarity Act comes into fruition from the Trump administration, this is going to be massive because then, yes, it really does mark America as the crypto hub of the entire world. And I feel like that's something that'll come closer to midterms, right? Because he wants to get reelected. He wants those midterm votes to go towards him. So this could be something that could be a potential catalyst and kind of mark the bottom of the crypto market because, again, it does line up with where we see it bottoming out at anyways, right? Because I see a bottom happening sometime in around Q4, and where that bottom will be, well, we talk about it all the time. If you guys want to know my exact thesis on my price predictions for crypto as a whole, join the inner circle. Link is in the description. But guys, I want you to compare just how similar SUI and the Bitcoin chart really is. Because if Bitcoin bottoms out at that same level, it feels like SUI is going to do the same thing. Now, this is the SUI chart over here in market cap, and right now, SUI is sitting at $3.1 billion market cap, and it looks dangerously similar to the Bitcoin chart. And whenever Bitcoin bottoms, I really do believe that is going to mark the bottom for SUI as well. You can see here, right, in June 2026, we hit 58,000 for Bitcoin, and around that same time in June, we hit the low for SUI of this bear market as well. So far, at least, at 2.68 billion. And again, in the same way, you can see July 2025 or 2025, we hit all-time highs for SUI. Even a little bit before that, February 2025, we hit all-time highs for SUI. And guys, this is a project that hasn't been around for too long. Yes, we have had a crypto a bull market, but we're entering in right now to kind of uncharted territories. You're getting into this price prior to the real big run that we had, and from this area, we ran up to about $16 billion market cap, right, guys? From a risk to reward standpoint, that's a 415% gain, which is about more than a 5x return. So not too shabby at all. And again, the parallel that it has to the Bitcoin chart is definitely one that you guys need to pay attention to, because when Bitcoin bottoms, I really do believe that SUI is going to find the bottom as well. And so when the market reverses for Bitcoin, the market will reverse for SUI as well. Let's take a look at some pretty cool things that I've been seeing recently. 48 hours ago, now this was a couple days ago, this was posted, SUI's active addresses spiked 145% to 181,000. I refuse to call it adoption and set 3 tests, and here are the results. Shout out to Benjamin Woods. He's doing great analysis for the SUI ecosystem. Did it persist? Partially. 138,786 today, off of the 181,000 peak, but still 87% above the 74,000 baseline. Farms spike and die completely. This didn't. Something real is there. Did stablecoins and DEX volume follow? No. Stables actually decelerated 2.3%, down from 2.8%. DEX volume fell. Did fees tick up? No. 2,354 per day, down from 2,470. And the one that gave me pause on the bot theory, inflows were at 1.43 million, which collapsed to 71,200 today, which is a 95% one-day blip. So here's the honest verdict: 65,000 addresses stayed, and not $1 of economic weight came with them. That's not adoption. It's a clean farm. It's not a clean farm either. It's activity without value users transacting in a way that touches nothing the chain can monetize, and no capital follows, right? So not very much in fees, which is either the gasless thesis working exactly as designed, usage first, value later, or the emptiest kind of growth there is. I still can't tell you which, but I can tell you what the spike wasn't a reason to buy. 2 of 3 tests failed, the scorecard doesn't move. Fair enough, but I am kind of swayed to the side that this was the gasless thesis playing exactly how it had to go. Now, here's the major news that we saw come out today. Coinbase enables direct staking for SUI. Now, one thing you need to understand is Coinbase isn't just going to do this for a random crypto, right? They're going to do this for a project that obviously has a lot of volume and a lot of demand. Coinbase officially launches native staking support for SUI, allowing users to earn protocol level rewards directly within the exchange interface. The integration provides instant reward accumulation, automatic account credit, eliminating the technical friction of manual delegation or third-party custody solutions. This rollout follows a sustained surge in SUI network activity as the ecosystem scales its high-speed settlement infrastructure for the 2026 digital economy. Now, guys, on that note, if you want to know exactly what crypto projects I am buying, what I am selling, you need to be a part of the inner circle. Here's just some testimonials. One of my clients making 20K in a month, which is the average yearly salary in his country, Estonia. Another one of my clients turning $300 into 25K in 2 months. Absolute madness. Another one of my students, guys, making 5K with $10 in just 3 weeks. Absolutely insane. And there's so many more stories, guys. This one over here, I've made more money in this Discord than my normal job. Another guy here, I'm up 18K off of, let's see what he said, off 1,000 bucks initial, which, hey, that's money. Now, past profits don't guarantee future results, but in the past couple days, we also called a 4x, we called a 10x, and we called a 2x just yesterday. So if you guys want to be a part of that, click the link down below, join the inner circle, and I will see you guys inside of that. Now, to keep going, SUI Network is aiming for a massive stablecoin ecosystem. Earlier this year, SUI Network went live with gas-free stablecoin transfers on its scalable Layer 1 blockchain. Less than 2 months later, SUI's stablecoin supply has reached an impressive $479 million per DeFi Llama data. The metric is up 2.3% on the week at the time of writing. This makes it the 19th largest chain by stablecoin supply, with optimism very much in the crosshair. So shout out to SUI, shout out to the SUI network holders. I probably might make some more dedicated videos on SUI. One thing I will say is that there is inflation for SUI at about 5% every single year. But guys, you really think that SUI can't go up more than 5% in value year on year? I mean, when things start taking off, they really take off. I'm talking about hundreds to even thousands of percents in rally. So keep that in mind. Now, on that note, guys, I will see you in the next video. If you guys enjoy, please smash that like, as it does help out a lot. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.